Welcome back to another episode of APMEX Answers. Today we're going to talk about a hot topic. Is gold or silver a better investment for you right now? Whether you're an industry veteran or new to the space, there's always the question of whether gold or silver is a better buy at any given moment. And right now, as we prepare this video, the price of gold is near all-time highs at $2,024.70 per ounce of gold, while silver is trading at a very healthy $25.52 per ounce of silver. There's a lot going on in the world today that could move either metal higher, and it's a great time to be sitting on a stack of metals. The question is, as we decide where to put our dollars next, which is better at this moment? And there are a few ways that you can make a rational assessment. So let's look at the base case for gold. Now, gold is near its all-time high of $2,074 an ounce. I'm looking at the 2023 gold Britannia 1 ounce, and it's for sale on APMEX.com at $2,100.59 for a premium just over 3%. Personally, I'd be very comfortable making that purchase because while that's technically above the all-time high, gold actually went higher in 1980 if you adjust for inflation. With inflation factored in, it was over $2,500 an ounce. Analysts do not have a consensus on a price target for 2023, but with banking crises, wars, de-dollarization, and really strong central bank buying, it's expected that gold will perform well over the long term. And many analysts are expecting gold to reach new highs over the next 5 years. That said, silver may offer a better return for investors at this point in time. Silver's spot price is about half of its former all-time high near $50 an ounce. The spread on silver is a bit steep, with premiums on products varying wildly. If you're investing in silver purely as a financial instrument and have no interest in collectability, design, you don't care whether it's a sovereign coin or not, then really you're looking for something with the lowest premium possible and you're stacking for weight. I think for this, the 1 ounce silver buffalo round is a great option. It's very easy to liquidate, it's got a great design, has lower premiums. Currently trading at $31.02 on APMEX.com, and this means the premium is right about $5.50 over spot. So the premium on silver is somewhere around 20%-ish for generic silver. It can go higher depending on what you buy, so be cognizant of that as you're selecting a product. Now, in case you're wondering, yes, we do still have these in stock thanks to our partners, even with the massive demand we've been experiencing. I know it's sold out in a lot of other places, but if you're looking for silver buffaloes, we do have them. So $31.02 per ounce isn't cheap, but there is a lot of precedent for silver's spot price to go even higher. Silver has some long-term industrial demand. The current administration approved a bill that puts a lot of money into EVs and solar panels and related infrastructure, and those applications use a lot of silver. Silver supply is somewhat constrained. Only 25% of the silver mines out there are primarily mining for silver. The other 75% mostly comes from gold, copper, lead, and zinc mines. I believe about 25% of the silver supply comes from primarily gold mines. So a lot of people are saying that the supply is highly inelastic and won't respond easily to price changes. But I think that if silver is rising, gold probably is too. So in a conservative evaluation, we could say that about half of the silver production out there is locked up, and about half could ramp up a little bit. We wouldn't expect the lead mines, for example, to ramp up production just to get to the silver. So we have increasing demand, an ongoing shortage, and inelastic supply, along with a history of silver reaching well above $31 per ounce. Remember, we want to see silver go above that amount so you can have a positive return on your investment. Now, the only downside to silver is that while its industrial use is a strength, it's also a weakness in times of recession. As production diminishes in an economic downturn, the silver consumption for industrial purposes wanes. This drop in demand corresponds with a drop in price. And we're in 2023 staring at a banking crisis and a possible credit crunch and wondering what that's going to do to our economy. America has been extremely resilient thus far, so it's kind of hard to predict what's going to happen next. So we can't say there's a clear winner between the two metals because both seem to be set up for long-term bullish trends, and both have some unique risks. Investors who trust in gold right now are putting more faith in gold reaching new all-time highs based on the emerging trends we're seeing globally. Investing in silver, on the other hand, is more about reclaiming prior all-time highs based primarily on the industrial applications. And either one of these metals, or both, could pop in the event of an unexpected crisis or catastrophe. So whichever one is better for you will be dependent on your risk tolerance and how comfortable you are with each strategy. That's all we have for you today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.